Hello and welcome to our course on manual testing with Kobiton. I'm Jamie, the manual testing specialist for Kobiton, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this introductory journey of manual testing for mobile applications using the powerful Kobiton platform. Whether you're a seasoned QA professional looking to enhance your skills or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of mobile testing, this course is designed to equip you with the knowledge and hands-on experience you need to conduct effective manual tests. Let's start by outlining what you'll achieve by the end of this course. Our primary objective is to teach you how to perform manual tests using the Kobiton platform. You'll learn how to navigate the interface, execute test cases, analyze results, and leverage Kobiton's features to streamline your testing process. Now, let's talk about why manual testing is so crucial in the software development lifecycle, especially for mobile applications. Did you know that approximately 70% of mobile testing is still performed manually? Manual testing plays a vital role in identifying usability issues, ensuring a seamless user experience, and catching defects that automated tests might miss. While automation has its place, especially for repetitive and regression testing, automating a mobile application that is constantly evolving poses significant maintenance challenges. Mobile apps frequently undergo updates and feature changes, which can render automated tests obsolete quickly. In such dynamic environments, manual testing becomes indispensable until the application stabilizes its functionality. Speed is another critical factor in manual testing. The faster you can execute tests, the quicker you can identify and resolve issues, ensuring a smoother development cycle. This is where Kobiton excels. Our manual testing platform boasts market-leading performance with up to 30 frames per second and millisecond-level latency. This high performance ensures that your testing sessions are smooth, responsive, and efficient, allowing you to focus on what matters most, delivering a high-quality mobile application. Let's take a look at how this course is structured to help you achieve these objectives effectively. We've organized the course into 9 comprehensive lessons, each focusing on a specific aspect of manual testing with Kobiton. This lesson is the course introduction. Your first manual test guides you through launching a mobile device and performing your initial test on the Kobiton.com website. In the devices lesson, you will gain an understanding of how devices are organized, the differences between public and private devices, and how to search and filter them. The manual testing screen overview walks you through a high level of the manual testing interface and its components. In the control panel lesson, we will explore the left-hand control panel used during a manual test. The real-time data panel lesson dives into device logs, device inspector, and metrics. We then move on to manual testing using a native application. The retaining a device lesson shows you how to retain a device for extended testing sessions. And finally, the reviewing session results lesson teaches you how to analyze and document your test results effectively with Kobiton's powerful post-session analysis features. Throughout the course, you'll engage in hands-on activities, such as performing manual tests and testing native mobile applications, to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. We'll also include quizzes after key lessons to reinforce your understanding and ensure you're retaining the material. Finally, there will be a comprehensive quiz at the end of the course to assess your overall knowledge and readiness to apply manual testing techniques using Kobiton. Before we wrap up this introduction, I want to let you know that we're also developing an advanced manual testing course. This future course will delve deeper into more sophisticated testing techniques, automated testing integrations, performance optimization, and advanced device management. If you find this introductory course valuable, stay tuned for more opportunities to further enhance your testing expertise and achieve certification. I'm excited to embark on this learning journey with you. Let's get started with Lesson 2, where you'll perform your first manual test using Kobiton. Remember, hands-on practice is key to mastering manual testing, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment as we move forward. Thank you for choosing this course, and let's dive in.